Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teachers Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Today I am going to discuss some applications of Euclid's division lemma. Question number first, using Euclid's algorithm. Important questions. Using Euclid's algorithm, find the HCF of 1651 and 2032. Express the HCF in the form 1651m plus 2032m. जो भी HCF आएगा उसको इस फॉर्म में हमें क्या करना, लाना फॉर द सम इंटीजर्स m and n. So let's start solution. First of all, 32 1 8 since 2032 is greater than 1651, we divide 2032 by 1651 to get 1 H coefficient and 381 as a remainder. So by Euclid's division lemma, 2032 equal to 651 multiply 1 plus 381. Equation first. Step 1. And next 381 651 is divided by 381. So 4 times 4 1524 7 11 4 7 2 1. Of step 2. Students, remainder 381 do not equal to 0. So we divide 1651 by 381 to get 4 H coefficient and 127 H remainder. So by Euclid's division lemma, we write 1651 equal to 381 multiply 4 plus 127. Equation number. Okay. And next 127 381 is divided by 127. 3 7 3 या 21 2 3 2 या 6 और 2 8 and 3. Okay. So step 3, remainder 127 do not equal to 0. So by Euclid's division lemma, we write 381 equal to 127 multiplied 3 plus 0. Here a remainder equal to 0. So the HCF of 1651 comma 2032 is 127. Okay, and express the HCF in the form of 1651 m and 2032 m. Students, remember equation 1, 2 and 3. Now 127 is the HCF of 1651 and 2032. So HCF किसके रिमाइंडर में आ रहा है? तो रिमाइंडर सेकेंड इक्वेशन के रिमाइंडर में, तो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2 से चलेंगे. फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2 we write कि 6051 equal to 381 multiply 4 plus 127. This imply 127 equal to 1651 and minus 381 multiply 4. Okay, and 127 is the HCF. So equal to 1651 minus, change, replace 381 from equation 1. 381 equal to 2032 minus 1651 into 4 from equation first. So this is equal to 1651 minus 2032 multiply 4 and minus into minus plus 1651 multiply 4. So these two terms 1651 is common, so 1 and plus 4 and minus 2032 multiply 4. So 1651 multiply 5 and plus 2032 multiply minus 4. This minus is minus 4 and plus. So here in the form of 1651 m, where m equal to 5 and 20 plus 2032 n, 2031 n equal to minus 4. Here m equal to 5 and n equal to minus 4. Okay, students, I am going to discuss about the sum applications of Euclid's division lemma. So the first application is, so that every positive even integers, it means positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that's all. So positive integer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, dot dot dot. And a even positive integer, even integer. So even integer is, even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. So that ki every positive even integer is of the form 2m. So that's 2m, 2 equal to 2 multiply 1, so m equal to 1, we write 2m. 4, 2 multiply 2, m equal to 2. 6, 2 multiply 3, m equal to 3. Okay, and that every positive odd integers, it means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. is in the form of 2m plus 1. So every positive integer in the form of 2m, and 2m plus 1 is the odd positive integers. So where m is from positive integers. Okay, so let's start. Solution. Let n be any positive integers. On dividing n by 2. On dividing n by 2, because here is 2m and 2m plus 1. So on dividing n by 2, let m be the quotient and r be the remainder. M be the quotient and r be the remainder. So by Euclid's division lemma, we write n equal to 2m plus r. Here on dividing n by 2, m is the quotient and r is the remainder. So we write dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder, 2m plus r. So on by Euclid division lemma, we write n equal to 2m plus r, where the value of the r is greater than equal to 0 and less than 2. Okay, it means the value of the r equal to 0 and 1. 0 equal to 0 and greater than 0 but less than 2. It means 0 and 1, not 2, because the less than 2. So 0 and 1. And case first, if r equal to 0, agar r equal to 0, then n equal to 2m plus 0 equal to 2m, n equal to 2m. In this case, n is clearly even. In this case, n is clearly even. Okay. And case 2, if r equal to 1, then n equal to 2m plus 1. N equal to 2m plus 1. And in this case, n is clearly odd. Hence every positive even integer is the form of 2m, and every positive odd integer in the form of 2m plus 1. Okay, students, next is prove that n square plus n is divisible by 2 for any positive integer n. For any positive integer n के लिए n square plus n is divisible by 2. So let's start solution. Students, we know that every any positive integer n, any positive, we know that any positive integers n, any positive integers n is of the form 2m or 2m plus 1, is of the form 2m or 2m plus 1 for some integers, m, for some integers m. Okay, for case first, when n equal to 2m, जब हम लोग जानते हैं, वी नो डैट कि एनी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स, जितने भी इंटीजर्स होंगे वो या तो ऑड होगा या इवन होगा, और यदि पॉजिटिव इंटीजर से दो ही चीज हो सकता है, या तो ऑड हो सकता है या फिर इवन होगा। और अगर ऑड होता है तो हम लोग उसको 2m प्लस 1 के फॉर्म में शो कर सकते हैं, दिखा सकते हैं, 2m प्लस 1 के फॉर्म में रहता है, और यदि इवन है तो 2m के फॉर्म में रहेगा। यही दो केस है हमारे पास, यही दो केस से हम इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे। फॉर केस फर्स्ट, व्हेन n इक्वल टू 2m, तो इन दिस केस n स्क्वायर प्लस n इक्वल टू n, where n इक्वल टू 2m, so 2m का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2m इक्वल टू 4m स्क्वायर प्लस 2m, so 2m इज कॉमन, for 2m प्लस 1, 2m प्लस 1, तो दिस इम्प्लाई कि n स्क्वायर प्लस n इक्वल टू 2m इंटू m प्लस 1, वेयर r इक्वल टू 2m प्लस 2m, so n स्क्वायर प्लस n इक्वल टू 2r, वेयर r इक्वल टू m इंटू m प्लस 1, यानी m r का जो वैल्यू है वो m इंटू m प्लस 1 के फॉर्म में है, विच इज क्लियरली m into m plus 1, which is clearly a positive integer. Okay, and case 2, when n equal to 2m plus 1, so n स्क्वायर प्लस n इक्वल टू 2m प्लस 1 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2m प्लस 1, वे इन टू टर्म्स 2m प्लस 1 इज कॉमन, फॉर रेस्ट इज 2m प्लस 1 एंड प्लस 1, 2m प्लस 1 कॉमन निकाल देंगे, यहाँ पर 2m प्लस 1 का होल स्क्वायर था तो 2m प्लस 1 और यहाँ पर 1 बचेगा। चलिए, तो 2m प्लस 1 इंटू 2m प्लस 2, 2 इज कॉमन, for 2 into 2m plus 1 into 2m plus m plus 1, only m plus 1. Okay, चीज clearly a positive integers. which is clearly a positive integers. So we write कि n square plus n is divisible by 2 divisible by 2. Hence n square plus n is divisible by 2 for every positive integers n. Hence n square plus n is divisible by 2 for any positive integers n. Okay. Next is for that कि any positive integer odd or even odd हो सकता है या even हो सकता है, दो ही तरह के इंटीजर्स होंगे. So any positive integer is of the form 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2 for some integers q. So let us start solution कि let n be any positive integers on dividing n by 3 let q be the quotient and r be the remainder. So by Euclid's division lemma, we write n equal to 3q plus r, where the value of r equal to greater than equal to 0 and less than 3. It means r equal to 0, 1 and 2. Okay, 0, 1 and 2. So case first, if r equal to 0, then n equal to 3q plus 0 equal to 3q. Okay, and case 2 कि if r equal to 1, then n equal to 3q plus 1. And case third कि if r equal to 2, then n equal to 3q plus 2. For some integers, q के कुछ q के इंटीजर्स के लिए सम इंटीजर्स q. सो इफ r इक्वल टू 0, यदि r हमारा 0 हो तो n का वैल्यू क्या होगा 3q प्लस 0 इक्वल टू 3q, वेयर q इज एनी इंटीजर्स. इफ r इक्वल टू 1, यदि r इक्वल टू 1 है तो n इक्वल टू क्या होगा 3q प्लस 1, वेयर q इज एनी इंटीजर, q is any positive integers. And case third, if r equal to 2, then n equal to 3q plus 2, where q is any integers. Hence any positive integers is of the form 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. Okay.